In today's short analysis video, we're going to discuss on Adobe stock. Friends, I just want to inform you that this stock has broken out from an important resistance level, due to which this stock is ready to give you a, a bashing upside move from the current price. And not only this stock not only broken out from the resistance level, but it has also triggered multiple positive factors together at near the resistance level that will going to give this stock upside movement of 10 to 12% immediately, and that we can take as an opportunity to go long on this stock. We can go on a buyer side on this stock and earn a handsome amount of money to capture an upside immediate move of 10 to 12%. And my dear friends, if you go into the depth of this stock, if you go on I'll show you on the chart. This stock was under corrections since from September 2024, and stock has spent almost 3 months under corrections. And interestingly, the stock has given in the 3 month, the stock has given both type of corrections. It was in price wise correction, and along with price wise correction, it has given a time wise correction too. If you see the price wise correction, the stock has given in the price wise correction, the stock got corrected significantly downside, and in a time wise correction, the stock had given the sideways consolidation. It has made a significant range, and it has broken out from that range too. So there are multiple positive factors are there in these stocks, which we will discuss, and we will discuss at an area where we can trigger our entry for a target of upside of 10 to 12%. Friends, if you make a closer look on a chart, this was the top which was made in September 2024, and this is a point where the correction started, and it goes down in the form of downward sloping parallel channel. And as far as the stock was under this downward sloping parallel channel, the stock got corrected by price wise, and the stock got triggered by back to back lower lows. If you could see over here, you will be able to notice the first lower lows over here, second lower lows, third, and here was the last lower lows. And as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side, the first time its lower lows shifted to higher highs on closing basis, and this is a point where we got a confirmations. My dear friends, whenever you notice the lower lows shifted to higher highs, we take that as in confirmation that stock has completed the correction. So my dear friends, here we got a two positive major signal. The first positive signal, that the downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side, which was acting as a strong resistance. And secondly, the second positive signal, that it was triggered by continue back to back lower lows that also shifted into higher highs on closing basis. So these two positive factors had given a short-term move, and there is another third signal, positive signal. If you'll keep a RSI, you'll be able, if you place a RSI indicators, you will be able to see there is a diversion in the stock. If you'll compare the price action lower lows with the RSI lower lows, you'll be able to notice a positive diversion on this stock. My dear friends, if you see the price action lower lows last swing, it's on the downside, it's tilted on the downside, and similarly the RSI lower lows, if you notice, it's tilting on the upper side, and here we got the breakout. So these positive diversions will going to give the upside pump to the stock. And secondly, my dear friends, this was the third positive signals, and now we will discuss the fourth positive signal, and that will be a positive chart patterns. If we'll make a closer look over here, you'll be able to notice and rounding chart pattern got broken out from this neckline, which was at $540. If we'll round off this 539, this is exactly at 549 we got a neckline broken out, and the inside range of this rounding chart pattern is almost 10 to 12%, which already been triggered over here. And as soon as this upside momentum will start, the stock going to give the upside momentum of 10 to 12% immediately. And my dear friends, the next target, then soon you'll be able to see the stock at the target of $600 very soon. And there are certain, between to reach this target, there will be a resistance in the middle of the targets, so that we will place that we will this will be the blue line will be our the resistance where stock will face a rejections for the some time, and it may go into the consolidation small range, and then it will ultimately start with their original journey. And my dear friends, here we will share with you the point where you can place the stop loss. If you want to keep the stop loss, you can keep over here, and if that will be the stop loss will be in the red. And if you'll see the risk to reward ratio, your risk area will be this much and your reward will be this much. So it's a very significant bet you can take, because your risk to reward ratio is also very favorable on the buyer side. And my dear friends, this area of neckline, it's very important area, because if you see the multiple positive factors got broken out at this point. This is a point where we have seen the downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side. This was the point where we have seen the lower lows shifted to higher highs, and this is the point where we have seen the positive diversion broken out from the RSI and price action comparisons. And friends, the last, if you see, this was a point where we have seen the rounding chart pattern got triggered over here. So my dear friends, this area was an important resistance before. Now it's acting as a strong support, and your stop loss should be below this strong support so that it won't get triggered so easily. And this is it, my friends. Soon you will be able to see this stock reaching to $600 very soon. And if you like my analysis, please give a thumbs up, and please share with your friends, relatives, whoever interested in stock market, and try to help me to get my subscription, to get my subscriber numbers increase. Thank you, my dear friends. Goodbye.